Hello guys, welcome to Football Cards and Stickers USA, and today I have another 5-pack opening of the Adrenalyn XL 2014. So let me arrange these. So yes, let's get the packs open. If you see my last video, I'll pull a game changer. Witzel, Pirlo, fans favorite, Giovanni, Denisov, and this Russian player. Well, this was basically a Russian pack. We pulled 3 Russian players. All right, let's open another Falcao. Hummels, Bolaños, special card, defensive rock, Yoshida, Walker, Nani, and Kawashima. Let's open a Neymar pack real quick. We have Fernandez. We have an expert, Ashley Cole, David Silva, Ivan Perisic, and Russian player. Let's leave Iniesta till last. I don't know, I think I have a good feeling since I pulled that game changer in my last opening. We have a one to watch, Josie Altidore. He missed the Copa America. Noé Valladares. And look at this, another game changer, Hulk. This is actually a need. Wow. Put this aside. Osvaldo, Philip Lahm, and PK. Well, that was a Drogba pack, and I was expecting a game changer and Iniesta pack, just like in my last video. We have a one to watch, Peralta, Irony player. We have Kevin Prince Boateng, Valbuena, Toby, and the last card, Jackson Martinez. Just in my last video, it was not a good opening until this baby came through. Another game changer. This time is Hulk. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button down below, and see you next time.